just not sure which bag I want. Let me see. Maybe the red one. Maybe I'll keep the red one, because you never know when you need red. But then there's always the blue one, and I like the blue one because the blue one has like this flap on the bottom.
Yeah, that's very handy.
That's very handy. But this is TK colors, this bright orange. It kind of reminds me of Middleville, so I really might keep the orange one. But then there's the white. The white goes with anything. You could just use this for anything. Plus it's shorter, so if you had items that you needed closer to the top, it'd be easier. But then there's the John Deere one. I kind of like the John Deere one because Tyler would like the John Deere one. And plus black, you know, it doesn't show dirt, is easy. But this probably is my most favorite because it doesn't really look like a bag. Well, not a cheap bag anyways.
Not a disposable bag?
Fish going on there. And wide straps too, you can just get a lot in there. But then this one looks like it's waterproof. I'm thinking maybe I like the waterproof one too.
That's a good $35 value, would you say?
I would say I got my money's worth today at the boat show. It's been a good day.